Welcome back to another Temu video. In today's video, just like the title of this video, I'll give us a step-by-step tutorial on how you can request for a refund on the Temu app. Yes, so let's say you ordered some items and they didn't meet your expectation, or they came damaged, or whatever reason you may have, you just want to return those items and get your money back. This is exactly what you should do. Okay, now click on the U icon right here, click on your orders. This is where you will see all your orders, both those you're expecting to be delivered to you and those orders that has already been delivered to you in the past. You'll see all the information here. So I'm going to be using a past order to illustrate this step-by-step tutorial. I had this order delivered on the 21st of January 2026. So I'll use this order to illustrate, okay? Once you click on this arrow right here, it's going to show you more information about your order. You click on that and then you scroll down. This area, you will see the return or refund. If the return or refund button pops up, that means the refund or return window is still open to you, because after some months, after you've received your order, you are entitled to return your or request for a refund for that particular item for a particular period of time. After that is closed. So if you see this return or refund button here, that means you can still request for a refund or return your item. So click on that. You'll be asked if you've received the package. You click on yes and just choose whatever it is you want to refund, okay, or return. So I'm just going to pick two things here at random, and you're expected to give a reason why you want to return this item, okay? I'll click on this, confirm. They're asking me to make sure that I've read the manual. I still want to return it. I'll click on it, and I can give a description here, just anything. I'll just cancel this at the end of it all because I really don't want to return these items. You're supposed to write in this description box your reason for returning the item, okay? All right, so that is it. And then for this second item, I would also say bought by mistake. Confirm. You can upload a photo or a picture. Maybe the item came to you damaged. You can take a picture of it and then upload it right here. And then you also put it in the comments, the description box, your reason. All right. I'll just write that. I just want to return it. Okay. When you're done, when you're done giving all your reasons and choosing all the items you want to return, you click on next step. All right. And just cross check, make sure that what you choose is actually what you want to return. Okay. Click on confirm and next step. Then you'll be asked to choose how you want your money to be refunded. They want it in your original payment or back to your Temu credits. All right, so I clicked on receive in seconds. I can choose to get the money back in my original payment, which is either via card or PayPal, depending on how you pay, or it will be sent back to your Temu credits. If you choose the Temu credits, it's usually faster. All right, so just cross check to be sure that everything is correct, and then you click on submit. Okay, click on confirm, and that is it. Sometimes the item, they'll tell you that there is no need to refund the item. Sometimes it depends on what item it is. And then other items, of course, they'll tell you that you need to return it. So in this case, I've been told that there is no need for me to return this item. So because of that, there is no return label that has been generated for me, okay? So yeah, I'll have to just cancel this. So now you've seen how to request a refund. Now I'll show you in a situation where you have a return label generated for you. You will have to print out the label or download it to your phone. When you get to the return center, they either scan it on your phone or they scan the paper you're with, and then they get the item from you. Click on the U icon and then you click on your orders. Go to returns. Here you're going to see all the information about both the old return request and the present one. Whatever returns you've had in the past or presently, you see everything here. Just click on the item where you want to see the return label. You're definitely going to see it. Because this one has already been returned, the return label is not visible, okay? But if you're yet to return it and they've just confirmed that you've requested for a return, you will definitely see your return label here for you to download. either to your phone or there, or you're able to print it out. I hope this video is really, simple enough for you to understand. Some people have issues with returning items on the Temu app. It's really, really easy. And I hope I've broken it down as simple as you can understand. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.